5 surprise eggs hiding bright. Red, blue, green, yellow, and purple. Pop them open, what a sight! One by one, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What spooky friends could they be? Red egg shakes, what's inside? Spooky witch gives a cackling ride. Witch, say it loud. Counting 1, we're feeling proud. 1, 2, 3, 4, blue egg rattles, here we go. Out comes a ghost floating slow. Ghost, say it loud. Counting 2, we're feeling proud. 1, 2, 3, green egg wiggles, what's the treat? A skeleton with bony feet. Skeleton, clattering free. Counting 3, so spooky we see. 1, 2, yellow egg rolls, what could it be? A mummy rat so carefully, mummy creeping near. Counting 4 with a little cheer. 1, purple egg, opens with a clap. Out comes a vampire from a nap. Vampire, look at them dive. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 surprise eggs, we had so much fun. Counting colors, spooky friends one by one. Witch, ghost, skeleton, mummy, and bat. Learning with numbers just like that. 5 surprise eggs, we had so much fun. Counting colors, spooky friends one by one. Witch, ghost, skeleton, mummy, and bat. Learning with numbers just like that.